Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how to fix this issue. Windows update something went wrong and try to reopen the setting later. So basically this setting is not working on your Windows 11 or 10 laptop or system. If you are facing the similar issue, this video is for you. Ideally, this should be the behavior when you open it, and it should open automatically. And you can resume or check for update, but sometimes it doesn't work. So how to fix this issue in this video? Just open the same page here which I opened just, and go to system, and you need to go to troubleshoot, then click on other troubleshooter, and simply you need to run the Windows update troubleshooter, and this will try to fix your issue automatically. Just we need to follow the on screen instructions and just fix the issue. So this is the first issue to fix this issue. If this is not working in your case, what you can do is, sometime Windows update service can stop or crash on your Windows. You can open your services as administrator and click anywhere on it and press W on your keyboard to look for Windows update. And here is Windows update, and make sure it is running. If it is not running, double click on it and simply run it. Setup type to automatic, then click on apply, and if it is already running, just stop it once and then start it. And you can also restart it from here. And once it is running properly, just check and if you are able to fix your issue or not. It should able to fix your issue now. If this is not the case and this solution is not working for you at all, sometimes this happens due to Windows update corruption and Windows OS level corruption. Just we need to open the run as administrator as command prompt. Type here sfc /scan now. And this command will try to fix the issue related to your OS label. And this will automatically fix your issue. And hopefully your issue will be fixed. So this is the fix to fix the issue guys, and I am pretty sure your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.